Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, passenger airbag, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.